Hey guys, Bruce here. Got Jeff with me. We are doing some tent reviews. I have my tent, the Alps Mountaineering Lynx 4. Great tent. I've had it for several years, and I'm going to set it up for you and tell you a little bit about it. Got a ground cloth.
And a mallet.
And a mallet for those pesky, troublemaking tent mates and camp mates. But anyway.
That's probably been me.
All right, let's get our ground cloth set up.
Okay. This one does come with just a separate one, or did you buy this footprint with the tent?
I bought that separate, I believe. Yep. But it's good to have a one of these that's the exact size for the tent. Otherwise, you have to do some finagling to make sure the water doesn't get up under it, but it can be done. We've got the upgraded tent stakes just because of where we are. We don't know if we're going to have rocky land or what it's going to be, so these triple sided stakes work really well. Okay, so we'll get started to setting up.
Tell me what to do. A lot of these companies do sell a footprint that matches up with the tent model.
Yep. If you have the ability to do that, I suggest you do it. This makes it a lot easier. All right, so we've got our stakes, and this is the fly for later. So we'll go ahead and get to getting the tent out here.
This one's pretty much square, right?
Yeah, the doors will be,
In the front?
yeah, let's flip it so the door's that way. Simple tent poles, 2-pole design. Once we get it attached to the base, the tent snaps up around it. Nice, simple setup. Easy to do late at night. I'd try not to do it late at night if I was you.
It's not the first time. You want to do all 4 corners first? You want to do it like
No, we'll do it like you did. All right, go ahead. All right.
Yeah. I used to do these where I put them in the corners, and it just got to be a mess. And I figured this out, which I should have known to begin with.
Easy to set up by yourself, but easier to set it up with some help. So